Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss about arithmetic progression. A sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. The fixed number d is called the common difference. The general form of AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. To find whether a sequence is AP or not, we have to check the common difference. The common difference is same. Since all common difference is equal, it is AP. Sum of first n terms of AP is given by S is equal to n by 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. It's also written as S is equal to n divided by 2 multiplied with a plus l, where l is the last term. To find the nth term, we have the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Solve some examples. The third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression are minus 13 and 2 respectively. Find the 14th term. The first term of AP is denoted by a and the common difference be d. Third term of AP given as minus 13. We know that third term is written by a plus 2d. Eighth term of AP is given as 2. We will write as a plus 70 is equal to 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. We will get 70 minus 2d is equal to 2 minus of minus 13. By cancelling, 70 minus 2d is 5d and 2 plus 13 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. We will get common difference as 3. Substituting d value in equation 1, a plus 2d is equal to minus 13. We will get a value as minus 19. Now we have to find the 14th term. A plus 13d. A is minus 19 and d is 3. 13 multiplied with 3 we will get 39. 39 minus 19 we will get 20 as the 14th term. Which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 13 is 123. We have first term a is equal to 3 and the common difference between these two 12. D value is 12 and the last term is 123. We have the formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. N is 123, a is 3, n value we have to find and d is 12. By solving, we will get n value as 11. That means n is 11th term. Next problem. Find the nth term of the given sequence 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the first number, that is a is 4 and the common difference is 2. The formula for this is a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. A is 4 and d is 2. By multiplying n with 2, 2 multiplied with n is 2n and 2 multiplied with 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. We will get 2n plus 2.